Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 physics chapter pressure part 10. So, first today's topic is Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle. 2000 years ago there lived a Greek philosopher Archimedes. He was a scientist in the court of a king. The king had a doubt about the purity of gold with which his crown was made. So he asked Archimedes to invent a method of testing the purity of gold without spoiling the crown. One day Archimedes noticed that when he had entered a fully filled bathtub, some water overflowed. Furthermore, he noticed that he felt considerably lighter in the bathtub. He reasoned that the loss in weight of the body in water must have some connection with the amount of water displaced by his body. He performed a simple experiment and came out with the relation between the apparent loss of weight and the weight of the water displaced by his body. This reaction is called Archimedes principle. Now let us understand it from more news. There are two beakers, first and second. This is first, this is second. In the beaker, this is first beaker, this is second beaker. Like this. Take a spring balance and suspend 200-gram iron block to it. The weight of the block in air is found to be 200-gram force. Now take an empty jar and fill it with water till the water is on the verge of overflowing. Gently lower the solid suspended from spring balance into water in the jar till the whole solid is completely immersed. It is observed that the spring balance records less value of weight equal to 150-gram force. This loss of water is due to buoyant force. The metal block experiences buoyant force due to which it loses its weight. The loss of weight is equal to weight in air minus weight in water. It is equal to weight in air minus weight in liquid or fluid is equal to gram force minus 150 gram force is equal to 50 gram force. The liquid is displaced by the metal block is collected in the beaker and its weight is obtained. Let it be as it is. Weight gram force. It is observed that the weight of the liquid displaced is equal to the loss of water of the object. Weight of liquid displaced is equal to loss of weight in air minus weight in liquid. We also know loss of weight is equal to buoyant force. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Hence, we can say that buoyant force is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. Thus, we can conclude that whenever a body is partly or wholly immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upward buoyant force which is equal to weight of the liquid displaced by the body. This is known as Archimedes' principle. Buoyant force is equal to weight of liquid displaced. Buoyant force is equal to weight of liquid displaced. I hope you've understood till this. Next is conclusions. There are 3 conclusions. First is, if two bodies of the same masses are immersed in water, then the body with greater volume or less density experiences more buoyant force. In other words, the loss of weight is more for the body with greater volume. Second conclusion is, if a body is immersed in water and oil, as the liquid with greater density produces more buoyant force here. Water with greater density produces more buoyant force. Third conclusion is, a body in a given liquid experiences greater buoyant force at a place with greater value of G. Gram. I hope you have understood till this topic. In next part, we'll learn about relative density and solve some problem based on the whole topic. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.